Welcome to our Kanban tutorial. Kanban is a way to help manage tasks more visually and collaboratively across teams in real time. We've built Kanban functionality within the intranet as a way to prototype the approach. Kanban means signboard in Japanese. The method uses cards, often known as tickets, to display information about tasks to be completed. If you'd like to know more information about Kanban as a task management method, type Kanban project into the intranet search. Alternatively, there's lots of information on the internet. This tutorial is designed to give you enough information to go and have a go. If you need more information about how to set up and administer a Kanban board within the intranet, an accompanying quick guide is available. So let's make a start. For the purpose of this project, I've created a Kanban board within the internal communications team space. The board contains 4 columns: backlog, to do, in progress, and done. Should you require different columns, please refer to the quick guide to see how to set these up. In this instance, the backlog contains all the tasks the team knows about for the project but currently aren't in progress. To do contains the tasks that the team has agreed to do over a specific period of time but hasn't yet started. In progress contains the tasks that the team are currently working on, and done contains the tasks that have been completed. If you only want to view your own tasks when on a board, click the Only My Tasks button and unfilter it again to show all of the team tasks. So let's have a look at things in more detail. To create a task on the board, go to the Create Task icon. Tasks can be created in any of the columns. Select the button, type in your title, any description that you need to help describe the task. You can see that backlog is selected. Select the type of task that you're working on, any priority. Select your team to ensure that if you need to find your task again, that can be done. Select your unit. Now this is a prototype at the moment, and we're hoping that some of the filters will be self-selected. And select the date. So you want to get it done by the 10th of March, and click Save. Once your task has been created, you can reorder your task within the backlog. I'm quite happy with the order I had it in the first place. And there are other things you can now do within the task. You can view more details about the task. We'll come back to that in a moment. You can subscribe to a task so other people can follow a particular task. You can assign the task to another team member. For example, in this instance, I could assign it to Tony or Chris. You can archive the task. You can edit the task, which essentially provides you with the same dialog box that you saw when creating the task, or you can delete the task. I mentioned at the start of the tutorial that Kanban allows you to manage tasks in real time. So let's take this task for example. We're actually doing that right now, so we're going to drag the task from to do into in progress. The system measures how long tasks have taken while in progress. Time recording stops when tasks are moved to the done column. We'll have a look at the reporting functions in a moment. Let's return to the view task details that we mentioned a few minutes ago. This view provides all the information in a single place. The metadata about the task can be seen at the top of the page. Further down, a description, and you can see I've also added a comment about this task. Comments can be added in the box at the bottom, and this saves you emailing out with the system. Email notifications can be triggered so people who are working on this task can see what's going on even when they're not in the intranet. To get back to the board, scroll back to the top of the screen and just select the board link. A management reporting tool also exists within the intranet. Select all tasks and you'll be taken to a task view. The tasks provides you an overview of all tasks across all the Kanban boards. At the top you can see there's an overview. There are currently 341 tasks going on across the site at this moment in time, and there are a series of filters. I'm on a laptop today, so you can see that the filters are quite compressed. I'll just show you one of the filters. You can filter by board. In this case, we're just going to filter on the board that we're currently on. But you can also see you can filter by status, column, team or unit. That's why it's really important that when you create a task in the first place, that you apply all the relevant metadata, because it means you can find the task more easily afterwards. So here's our report. This is just all the tasks that we've got in a slightly different view that are on our board, and you can see the task that was completed was done pretty quickly in 9 minutes. If you wish to export this report, you can do so to Excel CSV format. To get back to the board that you are on, just select the link and you'll be taken back to your board. That brings us to the end of this overview demonstration. I hope you found it useful, and many thanks for watching.